Hey everybody, today we are making stenciled plates with the help of my friends at Ikon Art. I am going to make my own stencils and show you how to stencil glassware. Now this is really great because you can actually eat off of these dishes. A little soap and warm water, you can wash them too. I love Ikon Art because you can make any kind of intricate stencil that you want anytime you want. So if you want a stencil of a teddy bear, or a stencil of your face, or a heart stencil like we're making today, Ikon Art makes it possible. No more hunting on the internet for the perfect stencil. Ikon Art helps you make your own stencils, your own designs, anytime you want. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Here we go. My Ikon kit comes with inkjet and laser printer film. I have an inkjet printer at home, so I'm going to print on that. Make sure your printer is set to dark. Next, I'll set up the UV light and pull out some stencil film. There's blue film and purple, which is the one I'm using. Purple is great for fabrics and wood, and substrates that have some texture. I'm printing some of these on wood later, so I'm using the purple today. You'll also need a clear plastic sheet. Place the stencil film texture side up on the base of the UV light, and then add your printed image and cover with the clear sheet. Turn on the UV light for 35 seconds and then transfer the stencil film to some lukewarm water for about 45 seconds. You'll start to see your design appear. Next, I'm clipping my stencil film to the enclosed clipboard and spraying the stencil with some pressure to remove the exposed film from the design. This will take a few minutes. Once you're done spraying your stencil, you'll want to let it dry, and this will take a few hours. Now to make the plates. We're working on the back so no paint will touch your food. Wipe the back with alcohol and then center your stencil. I'm using gloss enamels and my finger to spread the paint over the stencil. Once you're done, remove the stencil and move on to your next plate. When they're dry, take a metallic gold paint marker and draw a line around the edge of the plate. This takes a little practice, but you'll get the hang of it. And if you mess up, use some nail polish remover to clean up the rim and start again. Spray paint the backs of the plates with several light coats of contrasting color, and then seal the plates with several coats of Minwax lacquer. I always use about 5 coats to really protect the back of the plate. There you have it, painted glassware. Use any design you want. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.